Hello and welcome to how not to make creamy white bean and broccoli soup with Parmesan frico. At least that's, I'm assuming, how you're supposed to pronounce it. So anyway, once again, this is part 2 of probably 15 to maybe 25 EveryPlate Edition dishes that I'm making. So anyway, hope you enjoy. I do end up plating several servings ultimately just so I can practice the presentation, and in case I'm hungry, I just have it already ready to eat. I've done that several times. I've eaten 2 servings of my 4 that I have ordered. So anyway, starting right along after you pause the video to review the steps if you were trying to make this yourself. I did put that at the beginning and I will continue to do so for each video. But pretty basic, just preparing the produce. Frequently I will wash and dry the produce and any protein prior to the beginning of the video. So if you see the corner there, there's actually an aluminum foil with like some onions or something, or maybe garlic. Either way, I tossed the broccoli and I guess half some onion, or no, sorry, so it is garlic and some olive oil, obviously with the produce there. So now in the pan there's probably some butter, onion, salt, pepper. So we're stirring that until brown for I guess 4 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile the broccoli is in the oven at 425 and it'll go for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I guess the garlic is supposed to go a little bit longer. Who knows, but that's what the directions are for. So meanwhile in the pot, we've still got the Italian seasoning that I showed earlier, a bunch of flour. I did throw in some chili flakes, and there's also some water, stock concentrates, more salt and pepper. So we're getting that to a simmer. And yeah, so that's really all that's happened so far. Lots of stirring, and yeah, more stirring, very important. More water, there we go. Still stirring. Any day now, we're going to do something slightly more interesting. Oh yes, the broccoli has arrived. So this is me, I guess, about to press the garlic there with a fork. And so now this is kind of the interesting part. I'm spreading around some cheese in about a burger bun size circle. And these are going to bake, I guess, for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then at the end, we'll kind of crack them into a few pieces and put them on top of the soup. So now I've added the chickpeas, I believe, or no, the beans, whatever it was. I did chickpeas for a lot of other recipes at this point. So yeah, added the beans. I try to get these off the pan right out of the oven. You should give it a minute or 2 to cool, and then it'll come off a lot easier like the second 2. So anyway, I think I added like some sour cream or cream cheese there into the soup. And now I'm tossing the broccoli in there too, the one that I took out of the oven. So stirring all the soup up and now dividing it between the bowls. And next I'll show you the presentation after I crack up, I guess, some of this Parmesan frico. I didn't dollop it with sour cream because I don't want to, but hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.